In this video, I will show you how you can use Pages on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, on your iPad, just look for the Pages app, then open it. Now if it is your first time opening the Pages app, after you tap on continue, you might land up on this page. Do not worry, just tap on cancel to go back to this page. Now after you arrive on this page, as you can see, you have two options. You can either tap on choose a template, and from here you can choose a template for your document. As you can see, you have the option for basic, report, education, certificates, organizers, and much more. Now for this video, I will not choose any template, but instead I will just go back and I will create a new document. So for that, just tap on start writing. As you can see, we have created a new blank page. Now after you create the document, you can start typing right away. On the keyboard, you will find an icon, so you could align the text on the page. As you can see, it is currently set on align to the left side, but you can either select align to center, or you can select align to right, just like that. If you tap on this icon, you will be able to increase the font size. Then finally on the keyboard, you will find this icon. And if you tap on this icon, you can add a line break to the document which you're writing. You can add a section break. You can add your date and time. You can add a bookmark, footnote, and you can create a table of content. After that, if you look at the top of the display, you will find a few icons. First of all, if you tap on this icon, you can either create a table in your document, or you can enter a 2D chart or a 3D chart. You can even enter an interactive chart, just like that. If you want to create a shape, just tap on the Shapes button and select the shape which you want to add from here. For example, I will select this shape. Now if you want to attach a file to your document, just tap on the Attach button over here. You can choose a photo or video from your Photos app to attach it. You can take a photo from the camera of your iPad. You can record a video and you can attach it to the document. And also you have much more other options, like you can add an equation, just like that. Now just tap on Insert to insert the formula to your document. Now if you tap on the three dots over here, you can find even more tools. Like for example, if you tap on Find, you can search text which you have written, just like that. You also have other tools like Smart Annotation, Change Tracking. You can change the text size as I have shown you earlier. And also you can add bookmarks. Now to save the document, just tap on the drop down arrow over here, then select Rename. And from here you can give a name to your document. For example, I'll name it Document 1. Just tap on Enter. Now if you tap on the arrow icon over here, you will save the document which you have created in the Pages app. Now as you can see, if I tap on Browse, this is the document which we have created, just like that. And if you want to share your document, just tap on the Share button over here, and you can share your document to anyone from your contact, or you can even email it to anyone. And this is how you can use Pages on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.